made a difference in my life for the last 17 years is this person. I salute him, I respect him, I am honored to introduce my graduate of the evening, Matthew Scurry.
Indeed, the privilege is mine, Satish, General Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters and welcome guests. As I mentioned in the briefing, I will try to concentrate on how to improve our language. I would rather concentrate on the usual mistakes we repeat. As you said, rather than having the photocopies, let's make new mistakes. Few of them, for example, I'm not necessarily in the order of sequence, how it happened, or the severity of the mistake. I'm just going tangent. We need to have a subject predicate. Yeah, sorry. Oh yes, please. We need to understand that we need to think and speak. Probably Toastmasters' motto is something which we need to remember. Listen, think and speak. In this case, we might not have to listen when we are speaking, delivering a speech. We need to think and then speak. For any sentence, we need to have a subject and a predicate, isn't it? For an English sentence. In many cases, I have observed, we do not have a verb in the sentence because we are rushing with the sentence, or we don't have a subject. So, for example, minutes of the meeting adopted. Minutes of the meeting are adopted. So, there the verb is missing. Then, motion carried on. You don't have to say on. Motion is carried. It is complete. So if we think about it, we might not use that extra word. Consult your mentor. Consult usually comes with. Am I right, Sanjay? Yes. So if we pause for a minute and think about it, maybe that with will come naturally, I would say. When you rush with it, it might not come. So don't rush with it. Then pass the lectern. Lectern is this. Am I right, Andy? And I vividly remember, and this one, Austin Nevis once telling us, when you are passing the lectern, you are giving the whole lectern to him. Don't give the lectern to him, it is too heavy for him. So pass the control of the lectern rather than passing the lectern. If I pass the lectern to Satish, we are in trouble. Satish and myself. So this is something which is commonly done. And I would think the gravest of thing which we just cannot accept is the word or the name of our club. It's Oasis. It's not Oasis. It's not any other word. I mean, when someone calls me Matthew, I don't like it. I would love to hear my name is Matthews. Andy, if someone says Auntie, he might not like it. Likewise, Oasis is Oasis. It is not Oasis. It is not anything else. So let's have our name right, Oasis. And this has been repeated so many times, I think if it is repeated again, someone has to go and bang the head. Fellow Toastmaster. When someone says fellow Toastmaster, Mr. Toastmaster and fellow Toastmaster, that means he is addressing only two people. Right? It has to be fellow Toastmasters. I think we need to have the gavel with someone, and if someone says Mr. Toastmaster and fellow Toastmaster, hit him on the head. So that we might not repeat the same thing. These are few things, and someone said new guest. Oh, that was a new usage for me. There's a guest and then new guest. So, I think what we need to do is think before we speak. If we do that, probably, and also better improve. Better improve, I thought, was redundant. We can say improve, or we do better. Then, going to be comparative. Going for a comparison or something like that. I mean, I would say, repeat again, think before we speak. Another word, common word, which I have noticed is carrier. Carrier, yes, there is a word carrier. It is something on top of the car or behind the bicycle where you carry things. The other one is career. I did that mistake repeatedly in my early part of my Toastmasters career, and it was Toastmaster Kiran Pandit. He said, "I am going to carry you if you use that word and say carrier again." It is career. So let's remember those small words or tiny things which we say and do, which might make a big difference. I'm enthused by this evening's usage of the word. Many used it. Nuruddin, Sadia, Haider, Said Imran, Satish, Babar, Shakil Anjum, Jayant, Imtiaz, Andy, almost everyone who spoke. Congratulations to everyone.
Laughter is the best trust buster, isn't it? It's the best way to learn, fun learning. Thank you, Matt. May I request for the timers report?
General everyone, the timings are as follows. Toastmaster Jayant Kaushik 3 minutes and 43 seconds.
Can you repeat
Toastmaster
that? 3 minutes?
3 minutes and 43 seconds. Toastmaster Imtiaz Khan 3 minutes and 20 seconds.